AutoInTouch video tutorial sessions, episode 5. In this episode, we're going to create a vehicle into the database without having any documentation to go with it. Similar to episode 4, where we created a customer account. So in this one again, we'd go to the workshop tab and we'd select vehicle maintenance. In vehicle maintenance, we would then enter in the vehicle registration and press the enter key. At this stage, we can add it manually, or we can use the VRM lookup facility to pull all the information and update. We can then search for the customer we created earlier by using the magnifying glass in the top right, enter in the name, search, find our customer, and select OK. Across the tabs here we have the vehicle notes. So again, we can add in any notes for the vehicle specifically, or we can add any reminder dates. Vehicle history, as with the previous video's history for the customer, this will be any invoices that have been completed in your AutoInTouch system for that vehicle. MOT history will show any MOTs. Of course, this is being 2019 vehicle, so no MOT information will be found. And when complete, we can click Update.